In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do Quincy Obby in Project Mugetsu. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the general strategy for you to beat the Obby for Quincy. So, in Project Mugetsu, if you teleport to this place, you will have to do a series of jumps back to back to back in order to complete the stage. The general strategy for these jumps is to always do a double jump and carefully take your time to optimize them. For most of the initial stages, there is nothing specific that you have to do. Just take your time and do double jumps carefully. On the second stage onwards, the platforms are going to start being bombarded by attacks. You still want to do the same thing, so just wait for the attacks to go off, and immediately upon them going off, you will have time to jump on the platform and start double jumping towards all of them. Once again, you just have to double edge at the edge of each platform, and as long as you dodge the attack successfully, you will be good to go. Starting from the third onwards, you might have to do boosts in order to get the height or the momentum that you wouldn't normally get by double jumping. So right before you do the last sets of jumps, do flash steps. As long as you do a flash step, that is going to give you the momentum necessary to close the distance. This should be 6 or even 5 stages of pure jumping, double jumping, flash stepping, and so on. And as long as you are careful and you optimize your jumps, you will be good to go. For the last part, it is going to be the most risky one because it's a gamble. You simply have to start running and hope that you don't get struck by lightning. Sometimes you will just get unlucky and get struck too much, but for the most part, you can just rush this and you should be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to do Quincy Obby in Project Mugetsu. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.